So one of the most common scenarios that I see and people who I help are people who've been injured rather seriously from slip and fall or trip and fall incidents at businesses, at restaurants, hotels, stores, grocery stores. Unfortunately, there's a lot of hazards out there in the community and things that people are not aware of. For example, if you're at a grocery store and it has a sleek, shiny, waxed floor, it might not be clear that somebody has spilled water on that floor and it hasn't been cleaned up for a period of time. Or there might be rugs that have trip hazards. There might be surfaces that are more slippery than they should be. What we see a lot of times is businesses that sometimes even create hazards. And if a business doesn't put up signs that there's a slippery surface or a dangerous surface, or if they don't clear that surface, they can either clean the surface or warn about the surface. For example, if there's water getting tracked in on a rainy day and they can't mop it enough, a business has a responsibility to warn the customer that this is really dangerous, this is really slippery. So I see a lot of injuries with people. What kind of injuries do I see in slip and falls? I've had torn knee ligaments, broken kneecaps, fractured ankles. I see that very common. The pain and suffering that you experience when you have a fractured ankle or a shattered knee is excruciating. And I've had many clients who have had multiple surgeries, who have big scars, disfiguring injuries, all because of preventable accidents. And they're preventable because the people that have the businesses should have done something differently. More often than not, they will admit that they didn't warn or they didn't clean spills in adequate time. So it's something that's pervasive. It's a risk it's a way a lot of people get injured. And again, I have a lot of experience in representing people who've been hurt in slips and trips in public places.